Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Erickson TV. Curtis here with Lauren. Hello Lauren.
Hey Curtis, hey everybody.
So Lauren, last week we talked about, on our previous episode, about the budget cuts in the Internal Revenue Service.
That's right.
And the impact on customer service.
Which is, there is no customer service.
Yeah, there is no customer service. Maybe the only silver lining was there might be less live audits,
right?
Which is good. I also announced, for those that didn't already know, that we now include IRS support as part of our basic fee, and so for newer clients that come on board, if they see this, you'll know and have comfort that your fees include IRS support if needed. And then this week I wanted to talk about some specific tax filing issues that I've seen.
Right.
And one of them is there's been a fairly significant change with the Obamacare Affordable Health Care Act.
Right.
For the first year of 2014, we have to do a separate form to kind of reconcile. First of all, if you do have adequate insurance, no problem. We can check the box, and that takes care of that.
Yeah.
And then, of course, if you decided not to get the minimum insurance, there may be penalty calculation.
Right.
And then, last but not least, if you did get the insurance through the exchange and received some type of subsidy, that needs to be reconciled on this return. And if you had some unexpected income that maybe was higher than you anticipated when you got the subsidy, it's possible you have to pay some of that subsidy back.
Yep.
Okay. So it is a little more complicated.
Yep, it is more complicated. Yeah.
Okay. Now going into next year for 2015, if you have elected not to get the minimum insurance, the penalties are going up again.
Right.
And then I wanted to talk about one more deduction, which is the sales tax deduction. First of all, for people that are filing from a state that do not have state income tax, like Washington State,
right.
There's a few other states like that. Has been this sales tax deduction. It's been nice because you get a standard deduction based on what your income is, and then if you had any specific sales tax paid to vehicles or for perhaps home improvements, we can take an extra deduction for that.
Right.
That is right now on the books, going away for the 2015 year. However, still keep track of your receipts, because just like in 2014, it could very well come back at the last minute. Okay. And then for our business clients that charge sales tax, this is kind of just more of a general announcement. Starting in April 1st of 2015, if you are a business in Seattle and you're required to charge sales tax, the rate goes from 9.5% to 9.6%. And the reason I'm bringing that up is some of you have perhaps registers that have that built in. I want to get it reprogrammed.
Yep. Right.
Another complication. Are you seeing anything either related to the IRS audits or things that that I brought up that are making an impact on what you're seeing?
Mostly, other than the Obamacare changes, it's pretty much the same as last year.
Okay.
So far.
That's good.
So far.
And what I would anticipate is, because we'll finish the episode with this, is as we talked about last week, likely going to see less live audits, but we're going to see probably a lot more computer notices, and I can anticipate not so much just about like 1099 matching and W-2 matching. It's also going to be related to this Affordable Health Care Act matching. So that's going to be a big deal starting next year.
Indeed.
Indeed. All right. Well, thank you for watching this episode of Erickson TV, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.
See you next time.